Did you know many people are having trouble with their Godox TT350S LCD panel not lighting up? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check batteries. Check if the batteries are inserted correctly in your Godox TT350S. Incorrect installation can prevent the LCD panel from lighting up. Step 2. Replace batteries. Ensure the batteries have enough power. Replace them with fresh ones if the current set is running low to see if the panel lights up. Step 3. Turn on power. Verify the power switch is turned on. The flash unit may need to be powered on again if it's been idle for some time. Step 4. Wait device. Check if the device is in auto power-off mode and press any button to wake it up. Step 5. Update firmware. Consider updating the firmware on your flash through the Godox website to resolve any unseen issues. After these steps, your Godox TT350S LCD panel should light up correctly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Godox users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.